there's a high probability that Terrence Romeo will be traded before he ever plays for Terra Firma Jeep. He didn't miss any games during last conference semifinals. And he hasn't practiced since San Miguel was eliminated by Ginebra. May mga kumakalat nga na chismis na si Terrence Romeo daw ang nag-request ng trade kay Al Francis Chua. Para mapunta daw kuno sa Ginebra, pinadaan lang daw muna si Terrence sa Terra Firma. Gusto daw kasi maglaro sa paborito niyang team. At sa naging team daw ng idolo niyang si Mark Kagiwa bago siya magretiro. Hindi natin alam kung totoo man ito o hindi. Pero kung tunay man ang trade, alin man siguro sa dalawang SMC teams ang punta nitong si Romeo. Magnolia or Ginebra? Will Terrence Romeo be a good fit for Magnolia if ever he gets traded by Terra Firma? Meanwhile, Terra Firma parts ways with Ryan Richards. Brings in Brandon Edwards. Richards tallied 6 points on 2 of 10 shooting from the field. And 7 rebounds against 2 turnovers in the 17 minutes he played. Edwards, who listed as 6'6", Shonko believes that the 33-year-old from Texas is capable of guarding imports taller than him. After playing just a single second versus Northport, and another subpar performance versus NLEX, Terra Firma is parting ways with the league tallest reinforcement. Terra Firma now in the lower standing in the Commissioner's Cup. Even before the conference started, Terra Firma players were saying that 6'11" import Ryan Richards isn't good and wouldn't help them much. 6'6" Brandon Edwards. Papalitan na si 6'11" Ryan Richards bilang import ng Jeep. Huling laro na ni Ryan Richards sa kanilang laban kontra sa NLEX, kung saan ay natalo silang muli. Si Richards ay umiskor ng 6 points at 7 rebounds sa kanilang blowout loss. Si Brandon Edwards ang original import ng Jeep noong Governor's Cup. Bago ito nagtamo ng ACL injury kaya never itong nakapaglaro sa PBA. Sa kabila ng pagiging undersized para sa Commissioner's Cup, kinuha pa rin ito ng Jeep dahil sa kanyang familiarity sa sistema nito.
Kamusta mga idol? Three Brothers TV para sa sports news and update. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang notification bell at subscribe button para lagi kang update sa mga sports news.